Hi, I have a question I need to ask you. Who's your role model? Just one thought. Who do you want to be? There is a one actor I really admire. Guess who? Yeah, it's Ha Jung-woo. When I was a kid, I saw the Korean reality show Healing Camp, and the guest was, of course, Ha Jung-woo. I've learned lots of things from him, and one of that is the how can I do my best. He brought his note, and that's the result of his efforts. He practiced maybe over 1,000 times with that note, and eventually he became the famous actor in Korea who got the 1,000 audiences. Every time I see him, he's optimistic and curious, enthusiastic, and having fun. And never ever underestimate the importance of having fun. He's really enjoying his life as an actor, right? And after I've seen that, I realized I never done my best like Ha Jung-woo in my area. So I need to dig a little deeper and work even harder to be the best in my area someday. Each day I live, I want to be a day to give my best on me. So imagine this. I'm working hard every single day like Ha Jung-woo in my area. Role model is pretty important to be better person. So would you think of it? Thank you for listening and see ya!